Okay, this video is going to be showing you how to withdraw money out of your IPC platform wallet into an external wallet. So we just got paid on Friday and I'm going to be withdrawing $500 of my weekly earnings and I'm going to take that off of the platform. In order to do that, I have to grab the address that I want to send it to. And I'm going to do that by going into CoinZoom. Okay, we are in CoinZoom and I'm going to click on portfolio and I'm going to look for the USDT wallet. So I'm going to put that in the search and I have it checked here. It shows that this is the wallet. I'm going to go over here to the green and I'm going to click on receive. And it says only send USDT coin to this wallet, which is a tether. Make sure you have the correct wallet address or your money will be lost. Go ahead and select the network. I want to use Tron, not Ethereum. If you use Ethereum, that would be the wrong address. And now I'm just going to click on, I want to copy this wallet address and making note of the first 3 letters and the last 3 letters. I'm going to log into my IC, my Intelligence Prime account. Okay, here I am logged into the Intelligence Prime account. Just got to get through the pop-up, get rid of that. And then the first thing that I want to do is to create a payment wallet. And in order to do that, I'm going to go down to transactions, payments, and I'm going to click on create a crypto wallet. And I would just name the wallet anything that I would like, just to let me know what wallet it is that I'm sending it to. Create a name. I'm also going to, there's only, in the drop down, there's only one thing that I can select. And it's going to be the USD TRC20. And I'm going to copy and paste the Bitcoin address, USDT external wallet address. And then I'm going to click on send code. But first I'm just making sure that that is the right the wallet address. And then you want to click on send code and you want to go to your email to put in the 6-digit code that you will be sent. Click confirm. And now it tells me that I successfully created the crypto wallet. And now I'm going to go into transaction, internal transfer, and this is the amount that we was paid. It's over $1,400. I am going to put 900 of that back into my trading account, and I'm only going to withdraw 500 of that amount. So the 904 will go back into my trading account. Again, you have to click send code. Once you get the code, put the code in. Okay. Put the code in, click on submit. And now you see I'm left with $500 left in my wallet, and that's the amount that I'm going to transfer into an external wallet, to the wallet that I created over into payment. I'm going to go back to transactions. And I'm going to click on withdraw. And now you see how much, you see the 500 that's in my wallet balance. And you see the wallet here that it's going to be going to. There's only one because I've only created one. And I want you to, you're going to click into the withdrawal charge. After you put the amount in there, you're going to click into the withdrawal charge, and that'll bring up the $3 withdrawal fee. And it tells me that I will receive $497. I'm going to click on send code. Again, I'm going to my email to retrieve the code. And then just click submit. This loading, you see in the upper right hand corner where it just said that it was successful. The transfer initiation was, withdrawal initiation was, as you can see, the withdrawal of $497 is now pending. And it just takes a few hours before it goes through, and I will show you that after the fact. Okay, and we are back now. The process took, I went to bed last night about 12:30 and it still hadn't gone into my CoinZoom account. I initiated at 11:14 earlier that morning. So we're talking about anywhere from 11 to 18 hours, because when I got up, it was sitting in my CoinZoom account as USDT. I have already sold the USDT and transferred it into US dollars. So from the $497 that went over, I end up with $494.76 US dollars. Now, if I want to move it from here into my bank account, I'm going to click on withdraw, and then here I would select either debit card withdrawal or wire withdrawal. And if I do the CoinZoom debit card withdrawal, I have to use a debit card that I have already used to fund CoinZoom with. And so I would suggest, before doing this, to just buy $5 worth of USDT or some other crypto and use that debit card. Once you've used that debit card once, you can now use that same debit card to send money to. And that's all there is.